How to fix the FPL app not working. Hey guys, and let's get started. To get started with, for solution 1, you will have to update your application of FPL. For this, go to Play Store or App Store, and if there's an update available, tap the update button to get the latest version. Outdated versions can sometimes cause problems like crashes or malfunctioning, or updating might solve this issue. For the next option, you have to long press the application and go to Info or App Info. Then tap on Storage and Cache and clear the cache, and then check if it works or not. If clearing the cache and data does not help, try uninstalling the application, and once it is uninstalled properly, you can install it again. In order to do this, you just have to long press the application and there is the uninstall button. Likewise, another solution could be contacting the customer support. So this is how you can fix the issue of FPL app not working. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And in case of query, do not hesitate to ask questions. Thank you and keep watching.